Ever feel like 24 hours in a day just isn't enough to get everything done? Time management, a seemingly daunting task, becomes effortless when broken down into simple, actionable steps. So buckle up for a journey into mastering the art of time management. First things first, assess the situation. Identify all the tasks that need completion. This might seem like an obvious step, but it's often overlooked. Make a comprehensive list of everything from the mundane, like doing laundry, to the more significant tasks, like finishing a work project. Next, prioritize. Not all tasks are created equal. Some require immediate attention, while others can wait. A common method for prioritizing is the Eisenhower box, named after President Dwight D. Eisenhower. It divides tasks into 4 categories: urgent and important, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, and not urgent or important. Using this method, decide which tasks need immediate attention and which can be scheduled for later. Now, it's time to create a schedule. A schedule acts as a roadmap, guiding you through your day, week, or even month. Be realistic when creating this schedule. Account for breaks and leisure time. Remember, all work and no play can lead to burnout. Once you have a schedule, stick to it. This might be the hardest part of time management. Distractions are everywhere, but resist the urge to deviate from the plan. If an unexpected task arises, assess its urgency and importance before disrupting your schedule. Finally, remember to review and adjust. Time management isn't a one-time activity. It's a continuous process of assessing, prioritizing, scheduling, and reviewing. Regularly review your schedule and adjust as necessary. In summary, good time management involves 5 key steps. First, assess the tasks that need to be completed. Second, prioritize these tasks based on their urgency and importance. Third, create a schedule that is realistic and includes time for breaks. Fourth, stick to the schedule, resisting distractions and only adjusting for unexpected tasks of high importance. And fifth, regularly review and adjust the schedule to ensure it remains effective. Time management might seem like a daunting task, but remember, every journey begins with a single step. So take that first step today. Begin the process of mastering time management and unlock the potential of every single minute in your day.